In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interim plan in Microsoft Project. An interim plan is a quick snapshot of your schedule that saves only start and finish dates. Think of it as a lightweight checkpoint you can use to compare your current plan against what it looked like earlier. It's not as comprehensive as a baseline, which tracks a lot more, but that's exactly why interim plans are handy for quick progress checks or short-term comparisons. To begin, open your project file in Microsoft Project on the desktop. Make sure you're looking at the plan you want to capture, with your tasks and dates current and up to date. This ensures the snapshot reflects the schedule as it stands right now. Next, go to the Project tab on the ribbon. In the Schedule group, select Set Baseline and then choose Set Baseline from the dropdown. This opens the dialog where both baselines and interim plans are managed. In the dialog, switch to the option labeled Set Interim Plan. This tells Project that you're creating a snapshot of dates rather than a full baseline. You'll see two fields, Copy and Into. In the Copy field, choose what you want to capture. Most of the time, that will be your current start and finish dates. If you prefer to snapshot your baseline dates instead, you can choose the baseline start and finish fields here. Now in the Into field, choose where to store that snapshot. Pick an interim plan slot such as Start 1 and Finish 1. These numbered start-finish pairs are dedicated storage for interim plans, and you can create up to 10 of them. Start 1, Finish 1 through Start 10, Finish 10. Using a consistent pair helps you keep track of different checkpoints over time. Decide the scope of what you're saving. For most teams, entire project is the best choice because it captures every task's dates. If you only want to snapshot a subset, you can select those tasks first in the plan and choose selected tasks here. This is useful if you're monitoring a specific phase or work stream. When everything looks right, click OK. Project instantly saves that interim plan to the fields you chose, and your snapshot is complete. After saving, you now have a reference point for comparison. You can compare current start and finish dates to the interim dates, and you can also contrast interim dates with your baseline to understand schedule drift. Remember, interim plans store only start and finish dates. They don't track cost or work, so use baselines when you need full performance analysis and interim plans when you need quick, date-focused checkpoints.